Hello everyone, Namaskar to all of you. Today 31st of October 2025 and in India we are celebrating National Unity Day. This is to commemorate the contribution of our first Deputy Prime Minister and the first Home Minister who played a significant role in the integration of princely states into the Union of India. He, along with a civil servant named V.P. Menon, used diplomacy, negotiation as well as force to persuade the princely states, who were 562 in numbers at the time of independence, to accede to the newly formed India. And this was to ensure stability and restoration of democracy in the South Asian region. And one of the states which was not willing to accede to India at the time was Hyderabad. The Nizam of Hyderabad decided not to join either India or Pakistan, so it was acceded to India with Operation Polo. And one more state which was not willing to accede to India was the princely state of Junagadh, and this was also acceded to India after a plebiscite that was held, and this plebiscite was in India's favor, and the king of Junagadh state had to go to Pakistan. Similarly, various other Indian states including Travancore, Indore as well as Kashmir decided not to join to India, but after the pressure exerted by our honorable former Deputy Prime Minister, the state of Travancore and Indore acceded to India, and the state of Kashmir was still in dilemma. In between, it was invaded by the tribesmen supported by the Pakistani forces. At the time, it signed the instrument of accession to India, and from that onwards, from that time onwards, Jammu and Kashmir formally became the integral part of India. And with the abrogation of Article 370, that status was confirmed. And there is one more concept when it comes to the integration of states, that is to stop the balkanization of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel integrated the states into India, and there is a concept known as Privy Purse, that was an annual payment given by the government of India to all the princely states who acceded to India. And this day, 31st of October 2025, we are celebrating the 150th birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India. And the concept of Privy Purse was abolished in the year 1971 through an amendment of the Constitution, and it was the 26th amendment of the Constitution. And at the time, the Prime Minister of India was Srimati Indira Gandhi. Thank you all for watching this video.